How you doing? How you doing, guys? Welcome back to part 2A of the Rosary version express, or more like edition express, guys. So I already showed you the one where I had to stop, and take a look at every plaque on the rock on rocks next to them. So that was like some sort of like like a memorable thing, Anyways, so you can see it, that one was the local. Now, guys, we're gonna begin the same thing, but express. So whatever you saw, whatever you're gonna see me passing, you're gonna see it in the part 2. This will be part 2A express edition, and we start the journey now. And again, this is the Rosemary Walk express edition. But I'll go slow. I mean, I'll still be going express, but non-stop, just so you can see the view and enjoy it. Again, guys, whatever you see here that I'm passing, it's already been explained in the first video, part 2. First one took me about 21 minutes. And this one, if we go fast, 10 minutes. Let's find out. But I just want you to see, guys, I want you to see all the beauty of this place. From left to right, full spectrum. Under 10 minutes, guys. Still not bad. Under 10 minutes. Okay guys, so thanks for joining me in this express edition of part 2A. And guys, as always, I will see you somewhere in time. We're gonna close this video up there, and right now we are at 9 minutes, guys. Under 10 minutes. Okay, cool. And guys, I bid you adieu. Bye.